All right, so today we're going to be talking about multiplying and dividing numbers that are in scientific notation as opposed to adding and subtracting. And the good news is that multiplying and dividing, in my opinion, far easier than adding and subtracting. So let's take a look at this first example problem. The world population is about 7 billion. We're going to have to change that into scientific notation. There are 4.6 times 10 to the 7th ants for every human on the planet. About how many ants are there in the world. So in order to do that, we're going to take 7 billion people and we're going to multiply it by 4.6 times 10 to the 7th. That should give us the total number of ants. And of course, we are going to give our answer in scientific notation. So 7 billion is 7 with 9 zeros. It's 1,000 millions. Okay, so if we change that into scientific notation, we're going to put our decimal point right here after the 7, and we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 billion in scientific notation is 7 times 10 to the 9th, and we are multiplying that by 4.6 times 10 to the 7th. So this is the Earth population in scientific notation, and this is the number of ants per person. So now all I need to do is just like when we did exponents way back when, we're basically going to multiply the front part, 7 times 4.6, and then we're going to multiply 10.9 times 10 to the 9th times 10 to the 7th. So if I multiply 7 times 4.6, I'm going to get 32.2 times, and now apply your exponent rules. When I multiply 10 to the 9th times 10 to the 7th, since 10 is the base, that stays the same, and I add my exponents, times 10 to the 16th. Now, as you know, this is not in proper scientific notation. I need to move myself 1 this way, which is a +1 when we're converting. So my final answer here is going to be 3.22 times 10 to the 17th ants. And that, my friend, is a lot of ants. Okay, here's another one. A certain social media company processes about 990 billion likes per year. If the company has approximately 8.9 times 10 to the 8th users, about how many likes is each user responsible for per year? So this is a division problem. We're going to take the total number of likes and divide by the number of users, and that gives us the number of likes per user. So 990 billion, as we just said, is 990 with 9 zeros. Convert into scientific notation, we're going to have 9.9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So 990 billion likes is 9.9 times 10 to the 12th, and we're going to divide that by the number of users. Okay, so first things first, divide 9.9 divided by 8.9. Having calculator difficulties, getting it. It is this really long number, 1.1123. So I'm going to actually just sort of cut this off. It's a very long decimal, and you don't have to write the whole thing. I think 3 decimal places is close enough. Times 10 to the 12th divided by 10 to the 8th. So as you recall, when we're dividing like bases, we keep the base the same and we subtract our exponents. And as it turns out, this is already in scientific notation because I already have 1.112, and so that would be my final answer. So when you're multiplying, you're going to multiply the pieces out front, and then you're going to multiply the magnitude part, which means just add your exponents. And when you're dividing, you're simply going to divide the numbers out front, and then divide your like bases, which means subtract your exponents. Easier than adding and subtracting in my mind. And we'll practice this in class.